Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm just going to share a breakdown of the gold trade that I took. Today is the 10th of May. The 10th of May. Unfortunately, this is a second recording. I realized when I was doing the first recording, my mic was actually muted, and all the things that I was talking about in the previous video, actually, because that's when I also closed part of these trades. But now anyway, I'm left with this standard lot that we'll see if it gets to this middle point here, hopefully, or if it gets to my TP here, then that will be wow, that will be one of the best trades that I have ever taken this year. So just to describe the trade, this trade, I had not planned it. Actually, I'll be honest, I had not planned it. I had some business to do today, so I was not looking at trading today, but I just happened by chance to just open my chart, and I happened to catch this blue candle here. I just saw this massive blue candle jumping up. I've not even checked yet what news it was. So I was like, what's going on here? Okay, I'll wait for it around here, because I missed this candle, because like I told you, I was not planning to trade today. So when it came to around this zone, I knew I would get a reaction. That's what the market does oftentimes, especially regarding news. You usually get a reaction. So sometimes if you miss the news move, you can always catch a reaction. It usually happens like that. So sometimes you don't have to stress about trying to decide, well, which way the news is going to go and stuff like that. Just wait, you might actually catch a reaction. Look here with a massive candle, a massive news candle here, and people actually made some money catching the reversal here, catching the test that happened here. So if you have been following me for some time now, you already know my system. I basically trade supply and demand, support and resistance, whatever you call it, and it's just maybe coupled with channels. But channels are basically the same concept. Channels are basically the same support and resistance. So here's something that I'm watching on my daily time frame. If we put it something like that, I talk about pairs that I trade on my blog. The link will be in the description box below. Very soon will be, when we are done polishing it and everything, we'll also be sharing forex courses, indicators, forex robots, all the things that you guys want to use in your trading. So keep visiting that blog and see if you can find what you're looking for. By the way, the broker that I use, the link is in the description box below as well. So go ahead and sign up with them. One of the best brokers out there. I have not had any problems with them. 5 years trading now with them, no problems whatsoever regarding deposits and withdrawals. So go ahead and sign up with them. One of their best offers is that with just $5 you can open a real life trading account, which you can use to test forex trading strategies, indicators and stuff like that. So getting back to our video, so if you go to the daily time frame on gold, this is what we have on gold. So I already expected, if we go on to the weekly, my mouse is acting up, it doesn't want to move. What's happening with my mouse? Let's just give it, now it's moving. If we go to the weekly time frame, you can see what gold did. First touch, second touch, now we're on a third touch. So what am I expecting on gold? I'm expecting that gold might actually be interested in coming to rest again in this area here before deciding whether it wants to go back again or whether we are going to see another fall of gold. But my bias, let's say 80% of my money is on a gold weakness. That's where my bias is. Of course, I can still be proven wrong. That's why I leave a room for the 20% to be wrong. Now, Yeah, that's what we have on the weekly time frame there. If we drop down to the daily, you start seeing the picture there. And basically, this is how I trade. These are the tools that I have. I don't call them indicators. I just basically call them visual tools. I'm a visual person. That's why I need these things just to see my key levels. I'm searching for those key levels where price usually bounces off. That's what I'm looking for. And to do that, I just need these visual cues. I don't call them indicators. So I think I talked about this strategy in my previous video on the channel. So go and look for those videos. Really, I'm not going to waste time with that. So getting back to today's trade, let's just zoom in a bit. Let's just zoom in a bit. Let's see what we can do here. Finally. Okay, so I had a channel going up here. If I zoom out a bit so that you can see it, I had a channel going up here, an arm of a channel going up here. This was the channel. So I basically expected, because price came here and it got rejected, so my money was on price might again come around this area here, and what, and we'll see a rejection probably up to this level. That's why you see my TP is here, and basically I've put my stop loss at a break even there. I've closed part of the trades in that video that I discovered was not even recording. My mic was muted. So because I expected price to jump off, I actually expected price to come to this 2050 level here. It didn't. So I decided, let me then just jump in here. That's why I took the sell here. I actually took the sell when the candle was still blue, because I knew here we are probably going to test this area and reject. So that's how this trade happened. Very simple. I'm trying to simplify this. Maybe somebody can understand how I trade. I'm not about I know there's ICT, I know there's this and that, I know there's a lot of things out there. Me, what's working for me nowadays, or has been working for me since probably 2-3 years ago, is this supply and demand, support and resistance. I'm just looking at levels. I'm just trying to spot levels. That's all that I do. This is the 50% level here, here 50% in the middle there. If we come and touch this level, I'll be happy. I think I'll then cut down on this standard lot size that I have here, and then again I need to move my stop loss. Very important to move your stop loss, so that you don't give back the money that you have made. I'm just waiting to see what happens on the next hourly candle here. If it shows me signs that it no longer wants to get down here, but I'm hoping that it continues to go down here, and I'll then close the trade altogether. But yeah, I thought, let me just share with you guys one of the trades that I've taken this week, and maybe you can also understand how I take my trades. Very simple: supply and demand, support and resistance, whatever you call it, trading channels, whatever you call it, and it has been working for me to date. Maybe one day it's not going to work, maybe then I'll need to change it, but for now I do see myself keeping this style of trading. Guys, if you have any comments, ideas, thoughts, leave them in the comment section below. Again, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos, and also see the links in the description box below. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.